Jeff Mix, homesinspirada.com. It's an open house edition of Inspirada TV. This is a great looking 3191 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, KB build, priced at $690,000. Let me turn around the camera and we'll go in and take a look. So it's that cool craftsman style with the nice porch. Film one of these over on Mist Effect, but it was not this nice. Wall here. Interesting thing here is it was used as a playroom for the kids. So you have a closet. And KB had also offered this as you could have a full bath down here, but it's currently a half bath. Sellers would even be willing to put a door here and make this a whole ensuite. But I've always liked this layout because you have this super interesting 45-degree angle. So gorgeous kitchen, 42-inch uppers, upgraded crown molding with the rope. So double ovens, cooktop, butler's pantry over here, and this pantry is super big. Look how large that is. So 4 pendant lights, super cool, really modern light fixture here, but this space down here is just amazing. And this feels so clean. You could move in tomorrow without needing to do a thing. Let's just jump out to the backyard. So an 8-foot slider, picture windows, a fruit tree, some nice palms. There's also a barbecue stub over here. Pavered. You're on a corner lot, and this is Pilati, which goes right to the back of Potenza Park. I'm kind of on a tight deadline to get this done because she has a client coming, so I want to make sure I accommodate her since she's kind enough to let us film. So good sized downstairs laundry, and look at all these cabinets with a sink. So even uppers above the washer and dryer. Then you also have the understair storage. We'll jump up to the loft up here. It feels super bright in here. So a generous sized loft and great looking ceiling fans throughout. Take you through bedroom. And these are generous sized bedrooms too. And again, this is so clean. So walk-in closet on this one. Feel like upgraded padding as well. So, nice bath, deep tub. I'll jump over here to the primary. I love how big this primary is in this floor plan. So it's 3,100 square feet plus, but it feels a lot bigger because the downstairs is so open, and you have that formal living. You have that, it's a bedroom, but made more for a family room, but I love it. So 2 closets, this one less deep, but built-ins there. So shower, tub, dual vanities. So as always, Jeff Mix, homesinspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. Please like and subscribe. We have hundreds of videos of nothing but homes in Inspirada, and we appreciate you watching.